Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to copy your Shopify store products to another store or platform. This is useful for backups or migrations. Let's dive in. First, export your product data. To do so, just go to shopify.com and log in using your account credentials. After logging in, go to the left-hand sidebar at the top and select Products here. Now, in the products, click on Export. Select all products, then select CSV for Excel. Now click on Export Products. Now, the products file will be sent to your inbox, to your Gmail inbox. Go to the last email here and you'll find it. That's my last email. Now click on the file Products Export to download it. Here you'll be asked to save it. Click on Save. And just like that, you exported your CSV file. Now, in your new Shopify store or other platform, look for an import option under products, typically in CSV format. I'm just gonna use my same Shopify account. Go to products and click on import. Now here you'll be asked to add a file. I'll try to drag this file here, drop it to upload it. Now here, click on upload and preview. Map each CSV column, such as titles, prices, and descriptions to match new store format. After importing, double-check product details, especially images and prices. Make any necessary adjustment to fit the new platform structure or design. And that's it. Your Shopify store products are now copied and ready to use on the new platform. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.